How did the ping pong forehand drive become an offensive weapon? Imagine a shot that started as a simple way to keep the rally going and turned into a powerful tool to dominate the game. That's how the ping pong forehand drive evolved. It all began as a basic stroke used mainly for returning the ball with control. Players aimed to keep the ball on the table and set up the next shot. Over time, they started experimenting with how to hit the ball faster and with more spin. This led to the forehand drive becoming more aggressive. The key to this change was how players used their stroke mechanics. They moved the racket forward with a slight upward angle, hitting the ball with a flat or slightly topspin face. Early on, players focused on hitting through the ball with a smooth follow-through that finished above the shoulder. But as players learned to swing faster and incorporate topspin, the ball dipped quickly and bounced low. This made it harder for opponents to return because the ball was faster and had more spin. Advances in equipment also played a big role. In the 1950s, sponge rubber was added to paddles. This sponge layer let players generate much more spin and speed with less effort. The ball's flight changed, thanks to the Magnus effect, which causes spinning balls to curve. This made the forehand drive a real weapon, as players could now reverse spins and speed up rallies. Tactically, players started using the forehand drive not just to return but to attack. They aimed to push opponents into weak spots or force errors. Better footwork and positioning became essential because executing a powerful forehand drive during fast exchanges required good balance and timing. The biomechanics of the stroke also improved. Coaches studied how the shoulder, elbow, and wrist worked together to produce racket speed. This understanding helped players develop more efficient and explosive strokes. Today, the forehand drive is a fundamental part of offensive play. It is taught as a primary weapon to apply pressure, create openings, and finish points. Its evolution from a neutral shot to a dominant offensive tool reflects how players, equipment, and tactics have all come together. The stroke's ability to generate speed, spin, and placement makes it a key element in modern table tennis. So, the forehand drive became an offensive weapon because players learned to hit faster, spin more, and use better technique, turning a simple stroke into a game-changing shot.